Welcome back to Prepare, Minimize, Live. It's been a while, but it's June, so it's time to try out June 2019 minsgame. So, for day one, I'm getting rid of a pair of pants that's been worn out. Time to replace them. Well, at least get rid of them, maybe replace them, depends on how many I need. For day two, I have 2 packs of Scenics sheets. I don't need them. I'm not going to use them. I don't really like the texture very much, so I don't want to have that with my models. I know someone's probably going to be loving them, so I don't mind getting rid of them. For day 3, I have a toaster I've never used, a drying or cooling rack, and I use the griddle every now and then, but it's just, I use a pan usually when I cook, so I don't really need it. So, yep. It's been a little while since I've done a video, so getting out of the practice of talking to camera. Hopefully I'll get a little bit better over the years. For day 4, I have 4 books. Yep, simple enough. I've found even more books to get rid of. Still have plenty of books to go. And for day 5, I raided my junk drawer and found 5 rolls of tape that I'm not going to use. So, that seems like a decent first 5 days. And I'm happy with that. Hopefully I can continue on through these 30 days, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.